fellas. Tonight working on 85 350X motor for Eric. We're re-ringing it with some old Honda rings, new Honda rings. Giving her a freshen up. I just redid the head, put some new valve seals in it, lapped the valves, cleaned everything up real nice. Just put new rings on. We're getting ready to put the gasket set on here. I just gave it a quick hone. See, look, got a little scratch in there. I don't know if you can see that. Probably not. Yeah, that's what we're doing here tonight. He brought over a CDI for the old TRI-Z. We're going to throw it up on here so I can put it together, and maybe we'll do a fire up here tonight. That's what we're hoping. Yeah, I'm going to get this thing together. We'll have this running here tonight too, so we'll do a little break-in on it and come back here in a bit. Just rebuilt this motor and slammed it in. Get ready for the moment of truth. See if he breaks his leg or it starts. It's going to be one of the two. Got the decompression cable off. He forgot to bring it. So we'll see if he has enough ass behind the foot. New rings, new valve seals, new gaskets, new oil, new life. Honda Bond for you know who. It's Honda Bond, and there's rings in it too. Didn't do piston, so you know who you are. TRI-Z is looking good. It's gonna smoke this 350X. Choke it. Turn the gas on too.
Gas is on.
We'll see if she starts. Here we go. Get it to the sweet spot. It's gonna be a whole new animal now. Get it to the top dead center where it's tight, and as it starts to get down, give her hell. Yeah, you're already right there. Oh, there it is. Kill switch on or off. Everything's falling on the floor. Hard to kick, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Want to give her a little bit of ether.
Might have to.
Oh! Try and burn oil off in the packing. Let it idle. Oh yeah. Right. Fat bars are on. Risers are on. I can't remember if them risers are off. I had to make some custom aluminum pieces for the bottom here real long. Had to rise them up enough to clear the forks. I might still have to raise the forks up a tiny bit. I'm not sure until I get the front wheel on, see where we're sitting height wise. I still got to dig out my custom axle I had for that. And I gotta make. No wait, now I have a bracket made for the brake. I had that made when I was doing an XL 600 build. Yep, got the tether on. Brand new bar pad, MSR lever. I like these levers; they're pretty sweet. Got that custom coolant bottle, aluminum. Gonna go right here. Painted the bracket up, make it nice. But yeah, she's coming together. I got the one rad on. Painted up the other bracket, waiting for it to dry. And sweets. Oh yeah, Eric's 350X. I just rebuilt that motor. I didn't get any video of it though. Too busy. I forgot to put the damn petcock on. There's another petcock. I don't understand why Yamaha did this. They got on reserve, and then they had on off. Not quite sure why, because once the engine's off, it's not pumping fuel anyway. So, weird. This boost bottle is about retarded. I think I'm going to get the sprock intake and eliminate that whole deal. I don't think it does much. Not real sure. Yeah, she's almost done. Oh yeah, where the hell is it? This here? For some of you guys who watch my video, you'll probably see me post this up on the TRI-Z forum. I thought it was a DG pipe. It's an old Phase 5. I measured to call it. It's bigger than DG. And there's J hooks on there for the springs. I guess the J hooks came on phase 5. And then somebody told me to look inside here. Said there's two pieces of rolled steel in there. I only see one. I think the DG has 2. Let's take a look here. Oh yeah, you can see it. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's hard to see with my stupid camera. There's an insert inside the other insert. Come on, focus, you damn thing. Why does this thing never focus? Anyway, there's another piece of steel inside there. Plus, this has the open, or it doesn't have the open J hooks. It has the closed hooks welded on to use. Yeah, I'm gonna throw the DG on for now because I have a collar made for that pipe to fit real tight wherever it might have went. Oh, here it is. You can get these for like 35 bucks. Pretty sweet. Why is this thing not focusing? There we go. Yeah, this slides on the cylinder. The pipe fits on here tight. And you take a Geometro gasket. And it'll sit on the inside there. Just like that. No leak. TRI-Z's prone to leak on the exhaust. Well, I decided to take off the side cover. I forgot to check the water pump seal and the water pump. How crazy is that? I figured it'd be okay, but you know, I doubt it. Being a TRI-Z, the water pumps always come off. The impellers fall off. I'll show you what happens. Here's the water pump shaft, and they put a plastic gear on there. Now this gear, Yamaha glues it. See how it has a narrowed end on it? If you can see it. But anyway, they glue these on like so it's like one piece. Then it goes in from the outside and then pins from the inside. But I took it off and lo and behold, it fell off. You can see somebody here drilled this one. Try to put a screw in it. Yeah, it fell off as well. So I'm just going to order a new Yamaha unit. I'm just putting the hub on here. 350X front hub. I'm going to run a 10-inch racing wheel. That way I have better tire options. I'll go with the smaller tire. Probably go with a 18 or a 20 in the front. Probably not even that big. Probably an 18. Flat track tire or something. But yeah. Not looking too shabby. I gotta clean these scoops up. I just threw them on. I'm gonna wipe them down and I'm gonna put some of this Ardex on it. Stuff that car detailers use at the dealerships. See if that cleans up. I cleaned a little bit of this fender up right here. I don't know if you can tell. Like right in this area. They come definitely a big difference from what it was. But yeah, I gotta get these brakes figured out. I have an adapter plate for this, but I didn't factor in one thing. I'm gonna have to get that wheel and then figure out what disc I'm gonna have to run. I might have to get a huge disc for on the front of that. So I'm not even sure what sizing or what's gonna happen. I might have to swap these forks out. I'm not even sure. Other guys run them KTM 85 forks. I know there's a whole conversion kit for that, so I might have to go that route. These here are off a KX250, and then the triples are off a Honda VTX 1800 street bike, like custom modified. But yeah, I mean, I have zero money. Oh well, now I don't have zero money in it. I paid what, like $100 for a triple trees, and I cut them apart and modified them. But I tried putting the TRI-Z front wheel on. It's just too wide on the hub. The brake was hitting inside here. Like I'd have to grind this down and grind all this down, and that's just not going to happen. So 350X hub's a little skinnier. At least I think that's a 350X hub. Either that or it's 200X. I'm not sure. I have to measure it. If not, I'll have one. I think they're about the same width. Anyway, I got custom collars I had made. I'm going to weld on these so they clamp. And then I had that insert made. Or no, I used this insert off something else. But I have an insert that's made for that side. Out of stainless. That'll thread in. Whatever bolt I use, so as long as it's the same thread pitch, obviously. But yeah, this is going to be a fun time to figure out here now. I got to find my brake bracket I had made. It basically spaces out the caliper. So I don't know. Alright. Well, that's all for tonight. I'll catch you guys next video. Oh yeah. It's alive.